Alright, well, just at the doctor's office. I need to go shopping for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody's mother, I guess. La, 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 la. Wait, did I even record? I don't even know if I started recording this shit. This is the doctor's office. I'm going to Wack Del Amo Mall in Torrance. Get a little Mother's Day shopping out the way. I used to work at this mall. I'm not really sure about doing that. My little password with my duct tape. That shit's ghetto, but I don't feel like taking shit back to the shop yet. It's a tracking meeting. Call it the mayor, don't I? Sleep, bro. Oh yeah, today's Wednesday, May 9th. Debating if I should hit a bike night. It'll be my first bike night with my bike. I don't know if I should go because I don't know anybody. That should just be weird. But I might just go and just record some shit on YouTube. A world star hip hop? No, that's fine. Great thing about this city. Nothing. The mall's played out. The Lighting Mall wasn't as good as it used to be. It's just an ugly ass mall now. For any of those who are interested, I probably won't post this video up until tomorrow anyway. But I guess every Wednesday night they have bike night on, well, they have one bike night on 120 Crenshaw. was like, "Do you ride?" I was like, "No." She was like, "Oh." She's like, "What do you mix with?" I was like, "African American, Native American, Black." And she was like, "Oh." She's like, "Oh, you're not one of us." She was ugly as fuck anyway. And she fucking walked off. This bitch wearing like a cheetah print dress. She was fat as fuck. Anyway, like I was saying, she was wearing like a cheetah print dress. She was fat as shit anyway, so she didn't bother me that much. She was kind of getting rejected by ugly ass people. She didn't fuck that, you know. So I looked at her like, the fuck? I'm not chewing gum in a helmet. It's fucking annoying. It's my cheek pad too damn fucking tight. I have a Scorpio XL 500 by the way. With a HD 170 stealth camera. With the external microphone, so I hope the sound quality is better. Probably not, but I got this camera because at the time on Amazon I got the camera, external microphone, and extended battery life for like $250. And then I saw the whole GoPro thing. This is ugly as fuck. You gotta buy too many accessories just to make that shit enjoyable, like an extra LCD screen. That's stupid. You gotta spend like $80 on that. The camera's already like $30. This one already had an LCD screen. I could review and play back and delete my videos from the camera. It's pretty cheap for me, but I'm not gonna say cheap. It's pretty nice. It's durable as shit. So I don't mind the size. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or any topics I should talk about as a audience, feel free to let me know. Wow, really? Are you fucking serious? Dumbass lady, so fucking stop fronting there. You know, I get pissed off when I see people do dumb shit on the road, especially, it puts my life at risk. Shit just fucking works the shit out of me. Oh, wow, fuck, where that guy parked. Sweet. Just change your fucking lips, that shit's ugly. Take the side of something. Got what I wanted. Everything I think for nothing. So good. I bring it on a Motorball with a Hollywood smile. Man, I might be embarrassed about my bike next to this. I'm gonna do a little walk around too. I can see more. Motorcycle park. That'd be sweet. So privileged now. Right in front of a secret door. Oh yeah. Yeah, yep. I got a petcock on my old ass bike. That's how you know how old it is. We do a walk around. Bam. Gixxer 91 750. I had it painted red. And seat's pretty fucked up. But I got a Yoshi pipe. So it's decent, I guess. And this is where I fucked up. I tipped this shit over one day and the shit fell. Cracked my windscreen. Had to put on my old ass mirror. I patched it up with some duct tape because there was like a hole in the fairing. I'll worry about that shit later. And bam. Yeah, see? An R6. So that compared to my bike makes my bike look like shit. But it's my first bike. I like it. And get a new bike later. Get a 1000 one day. Peace. I'll be back in a bit.